Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Ecuador. Let's do the color outline first. For the bottom part, we're putting the red sign pen here. Alright. For the top part, we're going to have blue sign pen here. And the yellow color, it's coming up from the top to these positions in the bottom. Okay, the dark color in the middle. We're putting the blue color. It has some sort of sceneries. Not all the details we're going to do, but it's the usual outlines so that we understand the drawing and the features. Okay. All right. Let's put the blue color in this middle space. The dark blue color is going to be here. Okay. My channel is not only the drawing channel, you can also use it for academic purpose. This features is really helpful for geography or the demography. You need to know the history, culture, flags, maps, and many things of different countries to understand the culture and the psychology of the people. Okay, and the top part is going to be the yellow color. Okay, few details is left for here. Maybe some sort of designs. So we're just putting the lines. Mm-hmm. Few greens here and green lines. Okay, all right. So this is the usual outlines for the flag of the Ecuador. Please subscribe the channel for more updates and put the bell icons on. Thank you so much. And you can also browse through the playlist for different categories. The flag drawing is one category, so among the many other categories. So we have lots of other drawings too. Please go to the playlist and you can browse your own choices. Thank you so much. Have a good day.